So, in order to keep my upload streak going to this YouTube channel, I decided to sit down and have a late night conversation about what's been going on with my YouTube channel, what I've learned, what I've experienced, what I think is cool. So let's get right into it. The first thing that I want to kind of share with you guys is that I've really been trying to figure out how to shoot a video every single day. And sometimes you need some easy putts. And what I mean by that is you need some easy way to kind of get some video content. What I've been doing is putting the camera on a tripod, finding a location in my house just where I can do it every single day. So it becomes like a set. And the reason why I've been doing that is because I don't want to put a lot of work into it. In order to kind of just get on camera, get comfortable, get over my fear of talking on camera, you have to do it every single day. You have to do repetition. So if I just set the camera on a tripod, find a shot in my house, something I can do every single day that takes no effort, then I'm able to practice talking and sharing with you guys what's been going on with this YouTube channel. That's been really good because I think it's so easy that if you don't talk in front of a camera, that you can easily forget how to talk in front of a camera. You see, the biggest fear that everybody has is public speaking. And I would say the second biggest fear that everybody has is talking in front of a camera. I do this every single day so I can get over my fear of talking on the cameras too. Kind of lost my train of thought. So the second biggest thing that I've been focusing on learning about my YouTube channel is that a lot of these videos isn't for an audience. Even though you guys are watching it, and I appreciate you watching it, I'm really trying to experience and understand what uploading every single day does to the YouTube algorithm. And I think if you upload every single day, it helps the YouTube algorithm get you in position, put you in places. So you hear all these YouTubers talk about content, being consistent, uploading daily. But the thing about it, it's so hard to make a video, and if you're not doing something cool, then it becomes very difficult to upload every day. But I'm trying to feed that YouTube channel. And if you feed that algorithm, then you should be able to understand what the algorithm does to your YouTube channel. I kind of want to experience that, so that's why I'm uploading every single day. It might not be the best content that I'm uploading, but if I'm uploading every single day and I'm feeding that algorithm, and that's what I've been really trying to do. Of course, I would love to do cool things. I'd love to be invited by you guys to go to cool events, to go to your tours and attractions, go to your special events. The third thing that I've really been kind of noticing by making this commitment to this YouTube channel is that when people comment or like your videos, then you really got to engage with them. You really got to interact with them. You really got to appreciate every single thing that those YouTubers or those comments mean. But also, YouTube's focusing on the engagement. So if you're not commenting, if you're not liking stuff, then YouTube's algorithm is paying attention and saying, hey, this YouTube channel is dead. So people are liking, people are watching, people are commenting, then it's my job and my obligation to like the people's comments, even if it's negative. I don't mind. All I care about is as long as it's not offensive. Otherwise, I'll like it. If somebody wants to take the time out of their day to comment on my video, then hey, I'm all for that. And I want to reward that person for actually liking my YouTube video. And that's really about it. Uploading every single day is extremely difficult, as you see on my channel. But that's a couple late night comments. I really am just checking out this new set. What do you guys think about it? Do you think you'd like to see some late night comments? Did you watch a video? Do you like this video? Anyways, put some comments down below what you think about my YouTube channel as a whole. Tell me what you think about this video today. Put it in the comments. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you like to see more of. And that's about it. I think this set's working. Anyways, like I always say, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the real world.